I was the platoon sergeant for my guys. We moved about 200 metres from the base, so it was quite close. We had to move down a small track, and it was on that track that I stepped on a pressure pad IED, and I was unaware for a good few seconds that it was actually me that had stood on it. And then I realised that it was me that had been injured. After the initial treatment in hospital, I could start getting in and out of bed into a chair and things, and then they push you through to Headley Court, and it just opens your eyes to it, that your world hasn't ended, and you can carry on and live life quite easily. Life's good, generally. We do have our bad days occasionally, both me and my wife, but we're both very positive about what we've got to look forward to in the future. We're just trying to enjoy life as much as we can, and do a bit of charity work and give back to those that helped us as well. It started off, I just went to a couple of events. We then came up with the idea of starting a website and coordinating various events. I'm doing parachute jumps, and I've organised a dinner night towards the end of this year with auctions and raffles. And one thing I've always wanted to do since I was about 6 years old is to swim with a great white shark in a cage. So we then thought, well, that could be the sort of end goal to aim for. And with a website, we're just bringing it all together and raising money for those that helped us, which we're both happy and proud to do. I didn't for 1 minute think I'd win the Daily Star Award. For that I'm very thankful, but to everyone that voted, I'm truly amazed and grateful. To win it is absolutely amazing. I'd just like to give a thank you to the Soldiering On True Life Trust. Thank you very much for having me at the awards, and it's an honour to be here with all the other guys that are here as well.